You can log into the NGS Cloud platform, which is presented by Parent Biotechnology, with your username and password. The sample list will appear first. When you select the analysis type of the case you want to start the analysis, the case status will change to fill in clinical information. You can enter the relevant parts from the sample information screen when you want to analyze more than one family member, state of being affected, and you can add the degree of kinship. You can also start the analysis with the gene panels, which are integrated with Genomic England Panel app. You can enter clinical information of the case by using HPO terms. You can add other terms from the hierarchy tree or suggestion list. After adding the clinical terms, to start your analysis and to use the service you want, you will be directed to the Workspace tab. When your analysis is complete, in line with the clinical information you entered, you can see the candidate variant list under Workspace tab, automatic ACMG classification suggestion, and you can enter the latest classification of variants. In analysis starting with FASTQ and BAM, you can examine the alignments of the variants. You can evaluate in silico vehicle predictions. Also with CMV analysis list, you can make your evaluation on copy number changes. You can edit the texts of the variants which you want to add to the report from the Workspace field. You can have your report prepared automatically. The report format depends on your institution and can be arranged specifically for you. When needed, from the relevant parameters under the Variant tab, you can also filter variants manually at. Also, you can add extra clinical information with your special solution for you, which is bringing together ontologies other than HPO ontology. Hope and you can filter in analysis. Starting with FASTQ and BAM, you can query the information about coverage as the panel, the gene, and the gene list. You can evaluate the different quality parameters visually. You can follow transaction history related to the sample from the action log section. You can determine the institution admin, and you can assign an in-house case. NGS Cloud, your solution partner in genetic data analysis.